What's going on out here? I'm not gonna lie, at some point I knew I was gonna have to activate the flip phone on myself. Flip phone activate. I mean, in all fairness, it's flooded outside. You gotta get to Publix. What you gonna do? Exactly. Hey, but when you go to Gatorama with Ben Register, what you do? Chill with Gators. Exactly, boy. Boy, I just caught a python with Python Cowboy and Captain Mike. Lithation, boy. Hey, boy, I'm out here floatering, but I'm gonna tell you the truth. I can't wait to go to the villages, boy. Only in Florida. I'm just glad I got